Glen, we're at the one-to-one conference in Cape Town today. Tell us a little bit more about the company and the progress you're making.
Thanks, Scott. Yeah, I mean, Awale, we've been here, we are listed on the TSX, and we've been at our projects, 3 projects, specific areas in Côte d'Ivoire, pretty large district scale type approach. From a greenfield, slowly moving these properties forward, gold focused, a lot of artisanal workings. And what we've done is we focused on the eastern side, northeastern side on the Bunduku project, which is around 1,200 square kilometers of mineralized trend that we have around there, around 80 kilometers of mineralized trend. And fundamentally, as I say, had to start right at the bottom. Flue aeromag, stream sediment sampling, slowly build up our geological model, starting with mapping. We've actually drilled a couple of the prospects there. Encouraging signs of gold, still no economic interceptors yet, but the good thing is we're on a shear zone, 40 kilometer shear zone. That entire shear zone is actually mineralized. We've extended the mineralized trend, so we're looking pretty positive going forward. Obviously difficult markets, but as in our approach before at Mariana and now where we are at Awale, we constantly exploring. We remain focused. We're actually always active. So moving forward, we've got about 15 targets that we're developing at Bunduku. In the northwest, we have 8 targets, nice soil anomalies there. We're active in artisanals are as well, so we got possibly eight targets to test. And then in Abenguru, further to the south, that's another 800 square kilometers. We've got around 4 to 5 targets that we're going to be testing. So the idea is by June, those targets we're going to have pretty much confidence to actually say we've got defined targets to go and drill. So looking good up to then. And we'll be drilling those in the last half of the year.
So obviously a lot of opportunity that's there. What's the key message to investors here at Cape Town?
I think for us it's, we are an explorer, so I think multiple targets, but the key actually is the chance of success. I think we've got multiple chances of success in an underexplored region like Côte d'Ivoire, gold everywhere. And we think we're going to be opening up a new gold camp, if you want to call it. I mean, that's our aim.
And how's the one-to-one conference been for you?
Conference is always good. The sentiment is pretty hard out there, we know that, but I think mining gold sentiment is certainly increasing, so we're seeing things pick up, so we're actually quite confident. So confident on the ground, investors, I think the confidence is coming, and I think we're hopefully in for a good year.
Superb. Well, Glen, thanks for your time.
Thanks very much.